Hello guys, we'll see how to fix data card issues in our current environment. We are facing few issues in our current environment. Let's see, trace those errors first. What kind of errors we are facing? We'll check from alert log file. So let's move on to trace location. So we are in trace location currently, and we'll check the alert log file. The log file which we have, it's available for a prod instance, and we'll find the errors using tail command, Unix tail command. We'll read the alert log file. So we'll read the alert log file using tail command -100, last 100 lines, to see what errors we are facing in current environment. We have one of the error TNS00511 no listener. Error 12541 received logging onto the standby. Check whether the listener is up and running. So we can understand with this, there is a standby server and receiving 12541 error. Seems there is no listener running. And this is your production database alert log, which we are receiving errors. So these errors will pop up on your monitoring tool, and from that monitoring tool which we are monitoring, the alert which we received might be TNS00511 no listener or error 12541 received logging onto the standby. So based on the received alert verified from the trace alert log file, let's check whether listener up and running as per the message we received. Using PSF and EF pipe grep TNS, we can verify listener up and running. Currently there is no listener, only PTS process we can see. And current ARC log which we received, in production we have up to 182, the current is 183. If we verify from standby, it's waiting for 164. RFS and MRP are up and running in your standby, but still it's waiting for the logs, which we found a difference between a primary and standby, where we have up to 163 applied in standby, and the current log file sequence number in primary is 183. So we have a gap in this. So to fix this issue, let's start the listener and trace the errors from the log file are still continuing or not. I've just started the listener using lsnrctl start listener and verify using PSF and EF pipe grep TNS, we are able to verify the listener is up and running. Now check the alert log file. Are we receiving any errors? The last received was 1716. Let's wait and see. In your standby, let's verify the gap. Or the archives are receiving and applying now. Still at 164. Let's check physically the archives in your stand. So we have up to only 163. So still not received. We can verify the messages from your DataGuard status. You can see there is error 12541 connecting to prod for fetching gap sequence. So the last received was 163 and was stopped here. Check whether the listener up and running, and it's failed with the error. There is no update here still. Archelog list in the primary 183. Let's give a lock switch again and monitor back on your primary or standby. So still it's not able to receive the archives. Let's try shipping from /archives prod 1_ the archives which we found. Okay, copy 1_164 to /archives to stand. I have copied one of the archive now. You can check even whether able to it's applying or not. So it's not taking the archive which we shipped even. If this happens, unable to sync, even the MRP RFS is up and running and your listener up and running after a listener start, you can just cancel the recovery and restart it. But still, we verified back again, found to be applied. So it took some time, but still we tried shipping at least one archive, but without cancelling and keeping a recovery mode. The archives was shipped and applied. It takes normally time actually, we don't need to ship even or copy the archive, but in case still have an issue or finding difficulty or getting delayed, let's copy at least one RKO and see whether it's able to ship and apply. We have waited for some time to get shipped, but still now we can switch again. I'm going to switch a few RKOs in primary. Okay. So this is a command alter system switch log file, and you can see currently 193 in your primary. Coming back to your standby, 193 received and applied. Now both are in sync, and we have primary and standby in sync. The current log file with the 192 was received and applied in standby from primary. So the reason behind the log ship failed is listener was stopped. The listener is not running. This is one of the reason where, in case if we have some maintenance in the primary side or either standby side, and we have forgot to stop or start the listener after stopping, after maintenance, then we may face this kind of issues. Even clients will complain if the primary listener is not up, they are unable to connect. If there is a long maintenance, long hour maintenance, then most of the DBS they forget to start the listener, just they bring up the database. So we have to ensure even listener is up and running and able to ping and verify even primary and standby are in sync. Then confirm that everything is sync and listener up, database up, update the node, update the ticket, then close the ticket. Never close the ticket without giving proper clearance that everything is up and running and sync. Ensure there is a standby database. Verify whether are there more than one standby database for that primary. Even it's not that one standby database, either there is no standby database. If there is a maintenance, never forget it. Either you are doing a maintenance either on primary, either doing on standby. You do maintenance on primary or standby, but ensure that after the maintenance everything is sync. All the standbys are in sync with your primary. All the listeners are up and running on the standby and primary, and there are no errors while you are going to close the ticket. There are no errors in the log file. Ensure that. So we'll check once again in your primary the alert log file. We can see the error was stopped. And we can see the log sequence been added. (193) log switch. So there are no errors now. Before we had errors. This was the error. 12541 received logging onto the standby. No listener. Now this error was fixed. So verify the log file twice what the error was. Okay guys, done with fixing this error 12541 and 00511 TNS error. If there is a standby for your primary, and we have ensured that both primary and standby are in sync. Thank you guys.